Hello everyone and welcome back to Clover Knows Pets. I'm Clover and today I'm just going to be giving a pet room tour. Just a heads up, the room is not completely finished yet. We've still got quite a few different things to work on, and I had to disassemble a bunch of tanks to bring them down, and a lot of the setups died because they weren't with light. By setups I mean plants only, of course. But yeah, because there just wasn't enough light when they were stacked. Yeah, it's been quite a process, but now that I've got all of the main tanks down and set up, I figured I'd do a tour. Alright, starting out in this little closet area, we've got a pothos plant. This will be holding a plant. One of my dad's pieces of pottery, homemade Tompton. We've got root fertilizer for the aquariums, and then I've got my springtail cultures, and then obviously the aquarium. Now it looks a bit dirty right now. It's actually not. It's the tannins in the water that are making it look that color. I've tested the water multiple times and all of the water parameters are exactly where they should be. But yeah, the setup's live plants. I've got dwarf Corydorus in here. I've got endlers in here. These are wild type endlers, so they look a little different. I really love them. Yeah, I've also got a bunch of different Neocaridina shrimp and mystery snails and ramshorn snails, a few other things. Yeah. On top of here, I've got some of these, and then these are in the tank to propagate. I've got little dragon fruit seedlings, and I've got some of my terrariums here. I've also got a shell from one of the mystery snails that died. Yeah. Also got a little random lizard statue. But yeah. Alright, in these drawers here, the bottom one is just a bunch of fake plants that I use in my like hermit crab tanks and stuff, or with some of the reptiles and amphibians. Sometimes fish, just fake plants pretty much. I also have little like repti hammocks in here. Anything that's currently not being used and isn't a hide or rock or wood is in here. This drawer here currently houses all of the wood. I don't know why this is in here. I'll take that out now, actually. Yeah, this is just any extra wood pieces that aren't currently being used. Now, I do have a lot more. They're just not in the room yet. And all of this stuff actually isn't going to be in here. It's going to be right here in a bin here, or drawer system or something, right in that corner. But yeah, for now it's in here. This will later become a aquarium drawer for all of the supplies for the aquariums. The top one here is sort of miscellaneous, sort of not. It's got all of the food for the morning geckos and crested geckos, and then the supplements for all of the reptiles. Then it's got like morning gecko food dishes, crested gecko food dishes. I've got some dried mealworms in here, which are for my Egyptian spiny mice. Over here I've got a bunch of extra just like dishes, and I've actually got like multiple of these. I get a lot of this dish and a lot of this dish for some reason. These ones I don't have much of a use for, so I am only using 3 of them right now. That's right, I have 5 total. These I have like 6 of them being used currently, but yeah, that's for the hermit crab rescue. I've also got this really nice pottery one. It's just not currently being used. It's going to be used soon. But yeah. Everything here is all like different fish foods. I've got a bunch of different kinds, and I mix it all up to make a mix that I can just pinch in instead of having to ration out a bunch of different ones. But yeah, once the wood drawer is cleaned out, and it'll have all the aquarium supplies, it'll have like any medications, any testing.